Hi Lancers, it's Nurse Kylene. Welcome back to my home office. You may have been hearing a lot about using masks lately. The Center for Disease Control has recommended all people should use masks when they're out in public. This is especially useful in places where it's harder to physically distance ourselves from others, like in the grocery store. Remember that your mask protects me and my mask protects you. Masks can be really difficult to find these days. And if you're like me, I have some talents, but sewing isn't one of them. So I'm going to teach you how to make your own masks with things that you probably already have at home. So what you're going to need is a shirt or an old pillowcase large enough to cut an 18 by 18 inch square. It may have to be slightly larger for an adult. 2 to 4 rubber bands, depending how stretchy they are. And make sure you ask your mom and your sister before taking theirs. You're going to need a pair of scissors and a ruler or tape measure, something just to measure the fabric out with. Okay, so now I have my 18 by 18 inch square cut out, and then I actually have 4 rubber bands because mine are pretty new and don't have very much stretch to them. So what I'm gonna do is just loop them together to make them a little bit longer. Okay, so I have those looped. Now, what I'm going to do is work with the fabric. So I'm going to fold this to the center, and fold the top to the center. Then I'm going to flip it over. Now I'm going to fold the bottom again up to the center, fold the top to the center. From here, I'm going to put the rubber bands on to about 1/3 of the way in, loops on the outside, and same thing over here, about 1/3 of the way in. Then what I'm going to do is fold this into the center. You can even tuck one side into the other if you'd like. Okay. Pull on the sides just a little to make that a little tighter. And now this is ready to be put on. So here is what my homemade mask looks like. The rubber bands loop around my ears, and I want to make sure that my nose and my mouth are covered. Again, this is to stop the spread of germs and to help keep everyone healthy. Take care, be well, and I'll talk to you soon.